For dinner tonight, I am going to make potatoes in the air fryer. I've put frozen potatoes in the air fryer, but never like fresh potatoes. I bought a big bag a month ago. They're starting to develop little eyes. They're starting to go soft, so I need to use them up. So I'm going to peel 4 potatoes and cube them. And there's a recipe in this air fryer book that I picked up at Ollie's for Greek filling potatoes, which I don't have any Greek seasoning, so I'm going to use Italian. Hopefully it's close enough. Robert says it's pretty similar. I don't know what Greek seasoning is. I've never seen a bottle of it, but I will definitely look for it next time I'm at the grocery store. So first thing I need to do is peel and cut into 1-inch pieces. Robert wants me to clarify, it's not the same, it's just comparable for replacement. Okay.
Correct. It's the seasonings are different, but
yes, the seasonings are different, but I'm not going to the store.
You're making a like kind exchange.
Yeah.
Whatever
I'm not going to the
is.
store just for a bottle of Greek seasoning that I'll probably never use again. We use Italian seasoning a lot. I'm actually only going to cook 2 potatoes because this is 1 potato and that's like already going to fill half the basket. So, and it's just me and my husband, so 2 potatoes. So this is 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons the seasoning. And I'm just going to coat the potatoes with it. Just stir them until they all have some coating on it. Ooh, thank you, honey. I am preheating my air fryer. It says 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Shake it halfway through. And I'm not using a liner. I do have liners I got at Dollar Tree, but then I watched like 5 different TikToks of the liners catching on fire in people's air fryers. And I'm like, what? So it's fine. I mean, I think the liners are just so you don't have to clean the air fryer, but I have no problem cleaning it. I really don't want my air fryer to catch on fire. So, yeah. Don't know how common it is, but...
Flames? Like flames coming out?
Yeah.
Holy
like the paper
mackerel.
catches on fire in the air fryer. So, I don't know why. I think, there's some... I don't know why. But until I research it more, I'm not using a liner. Here's what the potatoes look like before we start it. It's been 14 minutes. Let's see. Let me take a bigger one. See if it's cooked all the way. Oh, hot. It needs to be cooked longer. I'm gonna put it in for a couple more minutes. I put them in for 5 more minutes. Honestly, I probably cut them too thick. Potatoes take longer. I was definitely surprised when the recipe only said 14 minutes. I should have made them pretty small. 5 minutes later, so it's been like 19 minutes. Oh, that's so hot. It's good flavor though. I like the Italian seasoning. I would do that again. I'm good. Uh-huh. They are a little crunchy. I might have... Who was that?
Charlie, isn't
That's Charlie? No, I
Yeah.
think that's Herman.
Oh, is that Herman?
Robert likes a little crunchy potato.
I think that's Charlie. Sharman.
No. You're right.
That's Herman. He's got a higher pitched voice than
These are
Herman.
2 black cat brothers, and when they were kittens, it was easier to tell them apart.
Yeah, you got a higher
Now,
pitched voice.
not so much.
I know. I know. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. All right, I think that's enough. I've loved
Is yours
it
ready?
for 3 minutes, but
All right. Robert made a shrimp dish to go with this.
not just any shrimp dish.
What was the name of the shrimp dish, Robert? I've done a video on it.
Yucatan shrimp.
Yucatan shrimp from recipes from Doc Ford's and Sanibel. I'm looking forward to it. It's been a while since we've had that. That's why I'm putting the potatoes in a separate bowl because I don't want to get like the shrimp sauce all over it. I usually don't mind, but my husband's one of those guys who don't like his food touching, and I kind of got used to it. So,
One of those guys, huh?
one of those guys.
One of those guys.
I think there's women who are the same way, but it's kind of rubbing off on me, and I kind of like agree. I don't really want Yucatan sauce all over my potatoes.
Yeah.
So we use a lot of little dishes. So yeah, I can understand why people use liners because this does look very greasy. I'll just soak it for a little bit. It'll be fine. This is the Yucatan shrimp. I'll link that video down below if you're interested. It's got like spicy chili sauce in it, and I put it on a bed of rice for the rice to soak up. The
Lime juice.
lime juice,
Lime juice, like a pepper sauce,
garlic.
and garlic. And butter. Lots
And
of
then,
butter.
would you try a potato real quick and tell me what you think?
That's good.
It's good, isn't it? You can taste the Italian seasoning, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. All right, let's eat our shrimp and potatoes. They're not too crunchy?